In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bypass content forwarding restriction in Telegram channels. Before we get started, I want to be clear, I won't show you how to circumvent channel protections or use tools that defeat content restrictions. Those settings are there to respect creators' rights, maintain community rules, and comply with platform policies. Instead, I'll show you the right way to work with restricted content so you can stay organized, collaborate effectively, and keep everything above board. First, open Telegram and navigate to the channel you are following. Many channels use content protection to prevent forwarding or copying. If the post is from a public channel, you can often share it responsibly by using the built-in message link. Tap and hold on the message, choose the link option if it's available, and share that link with context. This preserves attribution, keeps you within the rules, and still lets others view the original post directly in the channel. If forwarding is disabled and you need to remember the information, create your own summary. Open your saved messages, chat, or a private notes channel. Paste the message link if it's public, and add a short note in your own words about what matters. This gives you a personal reference without duplicating protected content. Collaborating with a team, set up a private group for discussion. Instead of reposting the message, share the link to the original and include your takeaways, deadlines, or action items. That way, your team can click through to the source, and you are not redistributing restricted material. If you legitimately need to reuse a post, reach out to the channel admin and request permission. Be specific about what you want to share and where. Many creators are open to collaboration when asked, and they may provide an approved version or temporarily enable forwarding for a partner channel. For staying on top of updates, fine-tune your notifications and organize your chats. Use folders to group important channels together. Pin priority chats, and regularly search within a channel to find past posts by keyword. These built-in tools reduce the impulse to copy content while still keeping you efficient. Above all, give proper credit and follow any licensing or usage guidelines the creator provides. Respecting these boundaries protects you and supports the people making the content you value. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.